Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how easy the sweep picking technique is. If you have never been in this channel, my name is Özgür Türkekul. I am a guitar instructor and I've been teaching guitar for a long period of time. So for more information, you can check out my personal website. Let's get started. So in sweep picking technique, we have three main points and they are all connected. The first one is landing your pick. So I am playing E minor arpeggio and as you can see, I am landing on to the next string. For every strings. Like when I am descending, same. When I am ascending too, it is the same. So this part is most common mistake because most of the players land on the next string when they descending. But when they ascending, they just pick one by one. So when you practice, you have to land on the next string when you are descending or ascending. So this is the key point about sweep picking. So the next point is pick slanting. So when you are descending, your pick has to look up. And when you are ascending, your pick has to look down. So this is that movement. Down. So my pick looking up, down, up, down. And the third point is the direction of your pick. When you change your pick direction, you have to start with the same way. So if you are like descending, you have to start with the downstroke. So, and this is one of the most important thing about sweep picking. So upstroke, pull off, upstroke, and you jump on the string and start with a downstroke. Okay, so these are three main points about sweep picking. And last thing, you have to get a continuous sound. So what I mean, I call it ambulance sound. Instead of like getting a little gap between two notes, you need more fluid sound, like ambulance. So it's the synchronization of both hands, left and right, and this is the most important thing on sweep picking. Because if you sound like this, it's not sweep picking, so you need. So to get that, you have to practice slowly and you have to increase your speed step by step. So I will give you two string exercise for you guys. Okay guys, so I think you get the idea. You have to practice that for every string combinations. And after that exercise, you can practice Dream Theater, Glass Prison, Arpeggios, Nevermore, The Godless Endeavor, Jason Becker altitudes. And then if you have balls, you can practice Jason Becker Serrana. Okay guys, so sweep picking is that simple. You have 3 main points and that's it. Practice slowly and increase your speed gradually, and practice these songs step by step. And I think in 1 month or 2 month periods, you'll be able to play all of these songs if you practice properly. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it. I have new membership system, and if you enjoy my videos, join the family. I'll be appreciated, and I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers guys, bye.